When I was on Regis' show, we did a lot of demo segments, and a lot of makeup artists came on all the time, and I have enormous respect. They are magicians. They can really do amazing things. So, but how do you do it at home? What I learned is most makeup, the expense of most makeup, especially really good, well-known brands, is in the packaging, and you're paying for the packaging and the marketing. So I use drugstore makeup. This is CoverGirl bronzer. Now, it may not be the greatest thing that anybody ever saw, but the important part about this is the color. It's not bright pink. This is a very, very neutral color. That's what you want to do. It needs to go with your skin tone, but stay away from things that have red or pink undertones or blue undertones. Brush, blend, 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 blend. Always use foundation before you do that. You don't want to be shiny on camera. So if you've got a translucent powder, that's a good one too. Highlighter, I'm sure this didn't cost more than $6 or $7. Desert Island, I'm taking this with me. You want to just dab some of this underneath your eyes and on your eyelids to open up your eyes. You and I have very light eyes. We need a lot of makeup on our eyes so that we don't look like our eyes have just disappeared. So I use a lot of liner. It doesn't have to be harsh liner, but you need that, and you need mascara. And eyebrows are so important. Who knew that eyebrows would be so important? You can buy a lipstick that's your color, that you like, and maybe a liner. It's a good idea to do that. Just make sure that your lower lip has a little bit of iridescent quality to it that's a little bit lighter.
So we will lay this out for you so you can see exactly what Anne uses to look this great, camera ready.
Please.
Just think about that little bit of extra if you're like me and don't normally wear a lot of makeup, so that you can take photos and use those for your social media or video marketing, and look great the whole time, because we want to look professional. It is a business.
This is another desert island thing. Not that you'd need it on a desert island, but if I had to be on camera on a desert island, Shaper Plus. This is the best hairspray I've ever used. We live in Colorado. We've got flyaways all the time. So, you know, you just, here, like that right there in your hair.
Well, I'm going to get myself some Shaper hairspray immediately.